I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lucidus coat. First, ensure your character is at least level 3575. This high level is a crucial prerequisite for starting the quest to acquire this special item. Without meeting this requirement, you won't be able to proceed with the necessary steps. So, make sure you're well prepared before embarking on this exciting journey. Your next step is to acquire the Lucidus totem. Head over to Marine Island, where you'll need to defeat the non-player characters roaming the area. These characters have a chance to drop the totem, which is a vital item for your quest. It might take a few attempts, as the drop rate can be quite low, but persistence will pay off in the end. Once you have the Lucidus totem in hand, make your way to the Marine headquarters. Inside, look for a distinct portal that will transport you to an upper floor. On this floor, you will find a specific non-player character. Interact with them, and they will use your totem to summon the formidable Lucidus boss, initiating the next phase of your challenge. Now, prepare for an epic confrontation with the Lucidus boss. This will be a challenging fight, so bring your best gear and abilities. After a victorious battle, there's a 5% chance that the Lucidus coat will drop as a reward. This stylish and powerful accessory is a must-have, especially for those looking to awaken the light fruit, making the effort truly worthwhile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.